Hello everyone, welcome back. Today what we're going to be doing is another one of those nature videos because you guys seem to really enjoy this. But I will be going back to those normal crap videos that I do after these kind of videos. I'm only going to be doing these videos twice a month. So yeah, I'm just going to be quiet so you guys can enjoy the beauty of nature. Okay guys, that was it for today's nature tour. But if you liked today's video, make sure to press the like button and subscribe to Get Crafty Girl for more of these videos or craft videos. Once again, I'll be only doing these videos twice a month, and all the other days when I upload will be craft videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great rest of your day, everyone. Bye-bye.